Welcome to our guide on strength training for beginners, where we'll show you how to build muscle and increase fitness step by step. Strength training offers a multitude of benefits. It increases muscle mass, boosts metabolism, enhances bone density, and improves daily activities. Let's dive in. Before we start, remember to warm up and stretch properly. Let's begin with body weight exercises like squats, push-ups, and planks. These are great for beginners. Form is key to prevent injuries. To make progress, start with light weights or resistance bands. Gradually increase weight or reps over time. Tracking your progress is essential. Here's a simple routine: squats for legs, push-ups for chest and arms, and planks for core. Watch closely as we demonstrate the correct form. Aim for 3 times a week. Let's avoid common mistakes like overtraining, poor form, and neglecting rest days. Your journey to strength starts with smart training. To recap, strength training brings incredible benefits. Start with body weight exercises, focus on progression, and avoid common pitfalls. Begin your journey to a healthier you today. Thank you for joining us. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. For questions or more content, visit our website and social media. Let's achieve your fitness goals together. And remember, with dedication and the right guidance, you can build strength and transform your life. Stay strong and keep pushing forward.